Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back to finish up our June sinking funds. Let's get going. So we have taxes, which I have to change my tax thing because I thought I had it right and I do not. So I'm gonna change that at work at Monday. We should have 145 and we're putting 45 in there. So 120, 45. And we're putting in 45. It's kind of a lot. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna trade out these for a 10 because I used up quite a bit of 5s. So we should be at 190 or 190. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Perfect. Alrighty. And put that away. Next. No Metro anymore. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Ooh, but that was $5, so $5 to put somewhere. I'm gonna put a question mark by it. Okay. Health gets 5. I did use some of my health, which I was really glad I had because I was not feeling too well this month. So I went and got myself some medicine and things, and instead of having to pay out of pocket or even to use my HSA, I just went ahead and used the cash I had. So let's see what we have left. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and then we get $5 going towards that. So 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. And again, I'm going to trade out these for a 10. And I'll probably stop doing that because I know I need some 10s coming up. So 54. I feel like one of these, okay, I was going to say, I feel like one of these isn't turned the right way. 2 of these aren't. I like having all of them facing the same way. Okay, 54. So I am very thankful that I started my health folder, and even though I only put 5 away, like, it adds up. So 54. It's really just useful to have. And then hair, it's at 60, so 60. It gets 60, so they'll put it at 20, 40, 60. And then that leaves us with 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. There we go. $120. And then planner gets 5. I also used some of my planner because I had to print out new budget sheets. So we have $13 left and we had 25, so not bad. And that gets $5 for planner, so that now puts us at $18. Again, just useful to have so that, you know, I can just pull it out when I need it. 18. Miscellaneous. I have also used miscellaneous. There were like work events, which is always what I'm like, that's what miscellaneous is for. So I have $5 in miscellaneous. I'm gonna get 5. I'm actually gonna end up using another. I'm gonna end up using this, I already know it. So I can get something else for something for work. So is what it is. So we had 10, but that will be gone. And that, to me at least, is a-okay. So, and then back. Okay. We have HOA, which gets 34. So we should have 68, and we're going for 34. So we'll be getting some 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10. 20. So 20, 10, there you go. All right. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100, 1 and 2, 102. So HOA had 68. Let me just make sure we have the right amount. Yep, 102. Perfect. All right, and let's get some of this monies. All right. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Definitely want to trade out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10. Let's grab the 20 because we don't need any more 20s. Let's put that away. Put that away. Oopsie. And take these because we're going to need ones. Love having ones. Okay, perfect. I'll just leave these. HOA is gone and done. Then we have gardening. I don't even think do I have a gardening envelope here? I should. I should. I put that in here. Okay, there we go. Gardening. Gardening has 30 because I grabbed an extra 20. It gets a 10. So now we have 40, and I'm actually gonna go spin that because I need dirt. Do y'all know how much soil you need to garden? It is absolutely redonkulous. Okay, so that has 40, but that will all be gone. Phone is at 130. I think phone should still be at 130. I don't think I took anything out of there. I did for technology, not for phone, I think. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1, 2, 3. Yep, I did for technology, not for phone. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 140. Phones are so expensive though. But I mean, if I have to pay like a deposit or something like that, at least I won't have to like dip into my monies. Oh, let me update that. 140. Okay, technology had 99, but I spent some to get some cords and things. So 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3. So it's at 63 and it gets a 10. So that puts us here. 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3. 73 in tech. Alrighty. So that is the last of all of these. And so now, oh, and then 5 for, I'm gonna actually trade these out because it's always easier to work a 5. So I have an extra 10. I need to figure out where I'm gonna put that $10. 70, I think it was 73. All right, so spring equinox gets 4. This should be where we are now. '23. Oh, it's 2022. Okay. No, this is the one we're working on then. I think. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. No, it's because this should be 48. So this should actually be 2022, or this should be 2023, I think. Yeah, okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my God, this is where all my ones are. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13, and it gets 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, we're getting rid of that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 for spring. I guess we'll trade it with some 5s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Okay. So we have 15, 16, and 17. Perfect. That's 2023. I'm actually going to grab, I don't know if my blue ones are over here to make a 2024. I have green ones, so that'll work. Alrighty. So I can actually say, oh, okay. 2022. Oh no, that was 2023. Oh my goodness. Yeah, because 2022 is already over. So 2024 is what this one is. I was like, that doesn't make sense. Okay. Okay. Alrighty, now we're ready. This is taking a little bit of time, y'all. Sorry about that. Okay. And then 20... Summer solstice. Okay, we haven't gotten summer solstice yet, so we should have 2022 and 2023. So here's 2022. So this should be yep. So this should be 2023. Okay. And we have 19, so some ones. And it's getting 4 more ones, so we're gonna have the battle of the ones again, so because that's all we have left. I love it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have nothing to trade this out with, so I guess I'll just keep the ones. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. I'm unsure if that's how I want to go about things, so I'm gonna sit and think this through before I by the end of the day. I don't know. But that's nice that we're getting ahead, and summer is coming, so we'll figure out what I'm gonna do. 23. Let's see how fall is doing. Fall is supposed to have 26. We have 2023 right here. We get 2022 nice and folded up. Okay. There we go. And 2023 is supposed to have 26. So, ones, all the ones. And 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I guess 4 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone, I was always like, I don't have any ones. And now I'm like, I have all the ones. Okay. Yeah, I should probably do something with this. This is nonsense. But we're at 30 for that one. Okay. And then 13. All right, so it's 20, 22. Literally just ones. Found all my ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And 4. So 17. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Boop, and we're done. I have got to do something about this because this is madness. So anyways, there we go. Maybe I'll make a note and be like, the ones are in, get change for ones in your seasons. So that way I won't be like, where are all my ones at? I know I have them. Yeah, I do. Okay. All right, that's everything. We're all done with our sinking funds. I have no idea what to do with this tin. I feel like I should pick something that's like, that I want to work towards. I think the thing that I would like to buy is, I want to buy some workout stuff. So I think I might put it towards and make a new envelope for workout stuff, for health stuff. So I think that might be how that goes. So that's going to be it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic month. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.